78 yards to Sasquatch, and 138 to the prairie dog, guys. So those are our yardages. Okay, perfect. So second shot we got a hit. We're at 8 there. There we go. It's at 79 yards. Yeah, those are nice hits. Okay. There it is. Yeah. Hitting off the edge of his tail. There we go, that's more center mass. Yeah, they're just going all in there. Oh, that was my bad. There it is. Yeah, look at that energy it's packing. Spinning that whole thing around. Okay. Have a little magazine hang up there, guys. All right, we're right at the regulator. So it is possible to hit with the Edgun leshiy at 138 yards repeatedly with just, this is a, not just, this is a Vortex Diamondback Tactical 6 to 24 power. So it's a really good scope. It's clear. You guys will see the footage. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here, guys. I'd like to thank you for watching and remind you to please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Again, God bless and keep that powder dry. Jason here with Forever Free Gunner. Going to go ahead. We're doing the after action report. It's a short one, right? We just went out today to test to see if the leshiy could hit out at 100 yards. We went to 138. We set up the other one at 78 yards, and it was just to get the bullet drop and everything without entering anything into the Streetlock app. We didn't have a really good table set up inside of there or anything. It was just impromptu, and also we're starting a series now on the new mobile shooting shack or whatever you want to call it, guys. So that was introducing that to you guys. We're going to build out some tables and stuff. And to follow that, we're going to have pictures on Instagram. We're going to have the full build on Instagram, Rumble, and YouTube. So the Rumble name is Forever Free Gunner 84, and that's Rumble. And then Instagram is just Forever Free Gunner, just like on YouTube, no FFG. So just Forever Free Gunner at Instagram, and then Forever Free Gunner 84 at Rumble, so that you can be entered into the new giveaway at 2,000 subs. We're giving away an airgun. That'll be announced shortly, which airgun we're going to be giving away as we get a little closer. We have about 500 more subs to get, and then we're going to do a giveaway. I'll announce it here in another 200 or 300 subs. We'll announce what airgun we're giving away. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Again, God bless, and keep that powder dry.